How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and or scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one and also this one, as you can see, this is an AI character. AI influencer does mean it's powered by AI and has over 300K followers. That means followed by real people even it doesn't exist. So you can create yours and then you can earn money with it. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are defining the rules of AI or of social media marketing and reckoning cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to create your or to show your face. You don't have to do the voiceover. You don't have even to write the script. So a lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first tip you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have actually to create it because we have here hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. It's as you mentioned, it's a AI based tool. So there's two options to get started. You can choose the one you want. As you can see here, we have use cases, features, resources, company, prices. So you can choose which one you want to more understand by reading information that have. So the website is very easy. So you can just read these options to more understand how the website works. And if we scroll down over here, you'll find an AI character explaining a specific topic. So you can choose your AI character that you want, and then you're gonna choose the script, and then you can start with it. If we more scroll down, you'll find a various AI character. For example, that one, it's about sales outreach, and this one about product marketing, and this one about content marketing, learning and development. So there's a various AI character that can help you to more understand and make your YouTube channel more professional and also innovative. So this is an AI character or AI characters that can help you to so you can choose one you want and then you can start with it. So all you have to do is click on get start, and then you're gonna enter your email, your verification code, and you will answer for a few questions. Then you can sign up. It will lead you to this homepage. So this is my recent creations. As you can see, this is the home page. So I already have account here, that's why. And here we have hygiene learning guide. So there is a various things that you can select here to more understand. If you find some difficulties on how you can use AI studio or video avatar or AI voice or video translation, so you can select which one you find difficulties on it, and you can understand more about it. Here we have the template, so you can choose a template you want, and then you're gonna start. As you can see here, we have a various AI templates, a various AI characters, various topics. So you can choose which one you want, and then you can use your AI character introducing your topic. If we more scroll down over here, you'll find avatars. So there's a lot of avatars here, so you can choose which one you want, or you can go to video avatar and select on studio avatar which AI character that you want. So you can scroll down over here, you'll find a lot of AI character. So let's for example select that one. As you can see, this is Matthew in Flowery Church. This three dot if you want to edit your avatar, if you want to get avatar ID, and this one if you want to create your video. So you can click on it by clicking on landscape if you want to create video on YouTube. This is a lot of options. As you can see, this is our AI character. You can put it on the left, you can put it on the right, you can also put it on the middle. You can determine the size of your AI character. You can edit the animation too, so you can edit the effect on enter, edit the effect on leave, and you can also edit a script, so you can delete that one. and then you can edit yours. You can edit another one. So you can here added pause section between these two scripts if you want to add a 3 second, maybe less, maybe more. If you want to add a recording, so you can just click here to start. If you want to add upload audio, so you can click over here. And if you find some difficulties on scripting, you can add it here. Actually, you can click on here GPT script writer. You can write your topic, and then GPT script writer will help you to create one. So this is a translation. If you want to translate your script to a specific language, you can just select the language and it will be translated. So then you can click on apply, and for the voices you can select that one, and then you can select which one you want. It's depend on the AI character and also the topic. So you can choose natural voice, explainer, ads, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games, and also you can select which language you want. Uh, that mean which language you want on you for your AI character, and the gender too. As you can see here, I already select um, male AI character, so of course it will be the voice male. And the age, we have here the ages, so you can choose which one you want your voice for your age, so child, youth, middle age, older. And the function too, so you can select which function you want, and then you can edit your video like you want. Then you can click on submit, and it will be ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So it's depend how you want your everything, and then you can edit it how you want it. As I mentioned, it's depend on your topic and the AI character, of course. So there's a various way to earn money using these videos with AI characters. So you can, for example, start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like Impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral links, or you can just simply create a video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology, and then you can start scripting. Just make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So these two ways are just two examples to get started earning money. And for example, you can, for the video guide, you can start with until you get your YouTube channel monetized. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.